Before we start this question, just want to let you know that this one actually is a copy of one of the practice questions in the Blue Book, which I go over later in this series. This is from Math 1, Test 2, number 33. So if you're planning on doing those tests as full tests, which is probably a good idea, I recommend that you skip this video and just wait until you finish the tests and then watch this one, or watch the one later in the series, because I do redo this one later. But just so you know, you might want to not do this one now if you're planning on doing the practice tests in the Blue Book. But for those of you who are doing it, let's go ahead and try it. The sum of the two roots of a quadratic equation is 5, and their product is -6. Which of the following could be the equation? So you have to remember that the sum of the roots, as represented by our ax squared plus bx plus c, the sum of the roots is -b over a, and the product of the roots is c over a. Since in this case all of my quadratics have an a value of 1, really all I'm looking for here is -b and c. And since I know that the sum is 5, I can write this is equal to 5, and the product is -6. So let's start with the product. That's easier. I'm looking for a c value of -6. So right away, a is gone, b looks good, c is gone, d looks good, e is gone. Now I need my b value, or my -b value, to be 5, which means b is going to equal -5. So that means we can get rid of d, and we can go with choice B, which is the answer.